Hello students, welcome to Prayashu YouTube channel. This is Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class, Paper 1, Subject Mathematics, and in this video we are going to see the mock question paper test number 5's answers. So, question number 26, find the incorrect pair from the following. So, if you read all this one, you will get option number 4 means 2.5 crore. Okay, but here if you see it's a 25 lakh means this pair is a wrong one, so option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 27, 28 multiplied by 2 by 21 is equals to 2 and this box by 3. Which number should be in this box? So if you simplify this one, so 7 3s are and 7 4s are, okay, and after this one, so 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8, so I just note down here 8 and by 3. Now this equal sign here, and 2 multiply by this 3 means that is the denominator, and then plus this box, okay, means we will make it in a improper fractions from the mixed fractions. So now this 3 here in a denominator means that is the meaning that this denominator 3 is same, so this 8 is equals to, we can say 8 is equals to in a bracket 2 multiplied by 3 and then additions of this box. So additions of this box, square box is equals to 2 multiplied by 3, that is a 6. So if this is addition, it will comes here and subtraction. So 8 minus 6. Okay, so that is the meaning. So means 8 minus 6, that is a 2. So option number 3, 2 is a correct one. Then question number 28, if one gunny bag contains 32 kg of rice, then how many gunny bags are required to fill 1,48,480 kg of the rice? It's very simple. If one bag is a 38 kg rice containing, so how many for this one? So this total rice divided by 32 means that much of the gunny bag will be required, means 1,48,480 divided by this 32. So if you do this one, you will get quotient 4,640. So after this simplify, so this 4,640 is given in option number 1. So question number 29, out of 1 quintal of sugar, means that is the meaning of that there is a 1 quintal sugar, and 1 quintal sugar means that is a 100 kg sugar. Okay, 1 quintal means 100 kg. Okay, so that is the meaning. So this statement is very important, always be read very carefully. Out of means that is the meaning that this is a total one. Okay, so 8 bags each of 5 kg, so 8 bags multiply by 5 kg, so 5 kg, so that is how much quantity? So that is a 40 kg. Okay, then comma is there, so after this one, this statement is different one, means what is that one? So 22 bags, so 22 bags each of 2 kg, so multiply by 2 means that is a 44 kg. Then and the remaining were packed in 1 kg of the bag. So this already we have seen this 5 kg, 2 kg, so same we will maintain 1 here, and that is equals to, so but how many that bags, that is we don't know. So how many bags in the in all were packed in the sugar? So suppose this x is assumed, so means that is equals to x. Okay, so x kg. Now out of 100 kg, so this much is the packing segregately, okay, or separate. So means that is the meaning 100 is equals to this plus this plus this. Now 40 plus 44 means that is a 84 plus x. Okay, now this 84 is here positive or addition, so it will be another side, it will deduction. So 100 minus 84 is equals to x, means the x is equals to 100 minus 84 means that is a 16. So 16 such a bags will be filled. Okay, but asking about all were packed, so this 16 plus this 8 plus this 25, so this 8 plus this 25, so means 8 plus this 16, that is a 24 plus this 22, so that is a 46 such a all packing bag. Okay, total. So option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 30, a shopkeeper purchased 15 bicycle for rupees 45,000 and spent rupees 1500 for transportation. What should be the total selling price of the bicycles so as to get a profit of rupees 350 per bicycle? So first of all, we will calculate the his CP, and after this one bicycle's price. Okay, so now, so 45,000 is a purchase price plus spending of this 1500, so that equals to the 46,500. So, and we know this, to get it profit, so 315, so 350 multiplied by 15, so that is equals to 5,250. So now this is a CP and this is a profit. Okay, so what is the selling price? So for selling price means this CP plus profit we have to add, so means this plus this. So after this adding you will get 51,750. So this will be the selling price, so this much of the profit can he make. So this is given in option number 1. Now, question number 31. In how many figures given below are there perpendicular lines? So now this is a perpendicular line, this one also, even this one also, because this is opposite sides are equal, means this is a rectangles. Okay, and here showing something like a perpendicular. Okay, 90 degrees. So this is also the perpendicular. Now this triangle doesn't have the perpendicular, here perpendicular and here perpendicular. Okay, so means 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 5 lines are shown in a perpendicular. So 5 means option number 2 is correct one. Now question number 32. How many kilometer will the train with speed 45 kilometer per hour, means that is in 1 hour 45 kilometers is the traveling duration or traveling distance. Okay, so cover from 8 a.m. to 12 and 20 p.m. So like within speed, so that in a duration how much distance he will travel. So for this one, first of all we have to calculate the time. So from 12 and 20 minus this 8, so this is in pm, so and this is in am, so we can directly do the subtraction, because here if this here the 1 pm, then we will consider that is a 13, so that we can do the easily subtraction. But now that is not a need, because we can do down 20 minus 0, so that is a 20, and here 8 minus 12 minus 8, that is a 4, means this 4 hours and 20 minutes. So we can do this one. So as per this one, the durations of the train is this one. Now as per the speed, so 4 hours means 4 multiplied by this speed 45 kilometer. Okay, and then again there is a 20 minutes more, so means additions of this 20 minutes is there. Okay, so 20 minutes means 20 by 60. Okay, so that will be converted in a hour and multiply by this 45. So like this one, 4 multiplied by 45, so that is equals to the 180. Okay, so 180 kilometer plus this 0 get cancelled, 0 get cancelled. Now the 2 multiplied by this 45, that is a 90, and 90 by this 6, so means that is a 15. Okay, so means 180 plus 15 means that 195, so that is a kilometer, means this is given in option number 2. Now question number 33. Savita celebrated her birthday on 22nd of the June, which was Tuesday. Hema is older than Savita by 40 days. Then her birthday will fall on which day? So now Hema is older, means her birthday will be comes previously. Okay, means before the 22nd of the June. And how many days? That is a 40, means we have to go back with 40 days from the 22 of the June. So 22nd of the June, okay, that has to deducted from the 40 days. So 40 minus 22 means that is a 18 is a balance. Okay, so and before the June there is a May. Okay, so in May there are the total 31 days. So from the 31 days we have to deduct this 18 also. So we are getting 13th May. Okay, so means 13th May is a birthday of Hema. So and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 34. 30% of monthly income of 32,000 was spent for household expenses, and 20% of the household expenses means whatever this household expenses is come out for on that amount, 20% of that one has was spent on the milk. So what amount was spent on a milk? So same this statement we will convert in expression. So 30% of means multiplication monthly income. So monthly income is 32,000. Okay, so that is the meaning. Again, this one whatever the amount is comes on this one 20%. So means again this is multiplied to the 20%. So that is the meaning. So this much will be spent on the milk. So now this percentage means already we seen percentage means 1 by 100. Okay, so 20 multiplied by 1 by 100. Okay, multiply by this 30, multiply by 1 by 100, multiply by this 32,000. So these 20 get cancelled, these 20 get cancelled, this 0 and this 0, then this 0 and this 0 get cancelled. So now 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 32 and then 0. Okay, so 320. So 2 by 3 is a 6 and 6 multiply by 320. So that is a that means the 6 multiplied by 32 and 0. So after this multiplication 1920. So this is given this amount is given in option number 2. Now question number 35, which of the following alternative correctly represent the decimal fractions 0.35? Now 0.35 means in fractions, because we have to find out the fractions. Okay, so because all the options shown in a fraction, so 35 by 100 also we can shown. After this common factor take out, now here 5 can be divisible, here also 5 can be divisible. So 5 7 are, so 5 multiply by 7 and here 5 multiply by 20. So 5 get cancelled, 5 get cancelled, means 7 by 20. So 7 by 20 is a lowest term or lowest fractions form. So this is given in form option number 4, means this can be represented in 7 by 20. So option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 36, Suman purchased 800 flowers at the rate of rupees 150 per 100. She made a bunch of 20 flowers each and sold it at the rate of rupees 75 per bunch. Find her profit. Now 800 flowers, but rate is 150 rupees for 100. So means 150 multiplied by 8 if you do, so that will becomes, so complete purchase price of this flower 800 flowers. So because 800 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 100, that comes the 800. So this rate is for the 100, so we have to multiply by 8. So 800, 8 5s are 40, 4 carries, so 8 1s are 8 and plus 4 means that is a 12, means the complete price for this 800 flowers, or we can say the CP, is a 1200. Now she has made a bunch of 20 flowers, so 800 divided by 20, so there are the 40 such a bunch, and one bunch she sold by rupees 75. So 75 75 fours are, that is a 300. So means she has sale price, so this is a SP. So now 3000 minus this 1200, so 1800 is the profit, and this is given in option number 4. Now question number 37, which of the following is greatest number? So in this one the greatest number is option number 2, 25 10 lakh. Now question number 38, this 7 minus 7 multiplied by 7 divided by 7 plus 9 is equals to, now in this one first division we will solve out. So 7 by 7 means 1, so this multiplication and the 7 minus this 7 and then additions of this 9. Now multiplication we will solve out. So 7 multiplied by 1, so that is 7, so this 7 minus then this 7 comes and plus 9. Now in this one the subtractions is toward the left side. So first of all we will solve the subtraction. So 7 minus 7, because this is a positive sign, so that is a 0. So 0 plus 9 means the answer is the 9. So 9 is given in option number 3. Now question number 39, which of the following product differ from the others? So if you do the all the products, you will find, so this product of this number is a 5640. Even this also the 5640. This is also the 5640. Okay, so these three are the same one, but the differ is asking, but this is the differ because this product is comes 8460. So option number 4 is the correct one. Now, question number 40. In a factory, 5 workers daily prepare 8,400 caps. How many caps were prepared in 24 days? So, there are the 5 workers, so 5, so multiply by. So, there are the total, how many, for how many days we have to calculate? So, that is the 24. So, multiply by 24. Then, multiply by. In one day, that is 8,400. So, this complete multiplication we have to do. So, after this multiplication, you will get 2,01,600, and this is given in option number. Then question number 41, how is 89.09 read as? So this can be read as a 89.09, like this one. So option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 42, the length of chord PQ. Now P and this Q in the circle with center O is a 4.2 meters. So this PQ is a 4.2 meter, 4.2 centimeter. Sorry. What is the length of the greatest chord? Now, greatest chord means the diameter, means which is here, that is the PR. So PR. Now this is the greatest diameter. Now, as the shown this symbol equality, so OP and OQ also the same like this one, means and these are the radius of this circle. So means radius of the circle is 4.2. So this is also the 4.1, this is also the 4.2. And as we know, PR means that is a 2 multiplied by this OP. Okay, so 2 multiplied by OP is that is equal to the 4.2, means that is the PR is equals to 8.4 centimeter, and this is given in option number 1. Now question number 43, which of the following is a false statement? So false statements we have to find out. So here false statement is option number 3, the additions of two odd numbers is always an odd number. No, additions of any two odd numbers, means suppose 3 plus 5, so these are the odd numbers, so that will be the 8, means always be even number. So this statement is a false. Now question number 44, how will the three-dimensional figure given alongside appear as a view from above? So from this above, here only the cube, so this edge will be continuously like this one. This vertical line cannot show this vertical line, I mean this is the completely like this one shown, and here the 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 and the 4, and this is given in option number 1. Now, question number 45, 81 by 135 is equals to this box by 90. Which number should be in the box? So, if you divide this 81 and the 135 by 9, means the common factor we have to take out. So, 9 and here the 15, 15 nines are 135, and here 9 nines are. So, means 9 by 15, and here the box by 90. But 15 we have to convert in a 90. So to convert it one, here we have to multiply by 6. So same 6 multiply by on a numerator also. Okay, so 15 multiplied by 6, that is a 90, and 9 multiplied by 6, that is a 54. So that equals to the box by 90. So 90 and 90 here also in diameter, means that box is equals to 54 is there. Okay, so 54 means option number 3 is the correct one. Question number 46, 1 by 2 kilometer means half kilometer in the another way, plus 8 meters minus 4500 centimeter is equals to box meter. Now here asking about the meters, so means we will take it we will keep this in meters, but we have to convert this centimeter to the meter and this kilometer also in meter. As we know, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, means this 1 by 2 multiply by this 1000, so that is in meter, plus 8 meter minus 4500 centimeter. Now as we know 100 centimeter that is equals to the 1 meter, means we have to divide it by 100. So divided by 100, so that is in meter. Okay, so what, 2 ones are and 2 fives are and then 0 means that is a 500 meter plus 8 meter minus this 20 get cancelled, this 20 get cancelled, means that is a 45 meter. Now additions in a left side, so 58 minus this 45 and that is must have the meter. So here 8 and the 5 means that is a 13 meter is there. So means box should be 13. So option number 1 is the correct. Now question number 47, what time is it if it is 15 and 45 in 12 hours clock? So it's a 45 minutes, it's a 3/4. Okay, 3/4, and this is the 15 means we can say that is a 3 o'clock also. So for this one, option number 2 means a quarter to 4. Do 2 core means before the 4 o'clock. That is the meaning. So quarter to means in another way we can say this 3/4 means for the 4 minus 1/4 also we can say. And this one is a 3 o'clock. So that is a 3 and 3/4. That is also meaning. So 4 minus 1/4 means that is also we can get it that 3 and 3/4. So that is the same one. Okay, so after this simplify you will get this one. So option number 2 is the correct one. Now, question number 48, what is the sum of 2-digit square numbers? So 2-digit square numbers are the, see, after the 9 is a single digit number, so after the 9 there is a 16, then plus, that is after this one 25 plus 36 plus 49 plus then 64, then 9 square is a 81, and then 100 is a 3-digit number. So up to only this much additions we have to do, and that is a 271. So this is given in option number 4. Now question number 49, which of the following number is divisible by 9 if 4 is taken in the box? So now as we know, the divisibility by 9 means that all the digits addition, it should be multiples of the 9. Now we will keep it this box as it is, or we will consider 4 because already here again the 4, here 4, and here the 4. Okay, now 3 plus 5 that is the 8, 8 plus this 13, so that will be the 21. So here 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus this 8 16 plus this 9 that is a 19. Now 6 plus this 4 plus this 6, so this is a 10 plus this 6 and plus this 9, so that is a 19. Now here 4 plus 2 that is a 6, 6 plus this 5 that is 11 plus this 7, so that is a 18. Now in this one 18 is the only one number which is a multiples of the 9, means this number after taking this 4 and instead of this box we are getting this number, means 7542. So option number 3 is the correct one. Then for question number 50, what is the expenditure on milk if half liter of milk at the rupees 40 per liter is bought from 7th May till the end of the June? Now starting from the 7th May means from the May's total 31 days we have to deduct the 6, so means previous one, because 7th is already purchased the milk. Okay, so means this is a 25, and then in a June month there is mention that complete end of the June means that is a total 30 days. So there are the total 55 days that half liter of the milk is taken. Now 55 multiplied by this half liter multiply by this rupees 40. So 2 ones and 2 twos are. So this is a 20. So 55 multiplied by 20. So that is a 110, and then 0 means that is a 1100 rupees. So that is given in option number 1. Question number 51, which fraction will be in the second place if the fraction are arranged in ascending? Now ascending means that is a smaller to the greater one or the bigger one. So second means from the smaller one we have to find out the second number. Okay, so means left side always be. Okay, so 5/4, 8/7, 12/11 and 19/18. So here the numerator neither numerator is same or nor the this denominator same. So better way we will directly convert that is in decimal. So means we will take the divisions. So 5 by 4, so 5 by 4, so 4 ones are okay, so 1 balance, then decimal point, so 10, so 4 twos are, that is a 8 minus this 8, so 20, 4 fives are 20, okay, so 0 is there, so 1.25 for this one. Then 8 by this 7, so 7 ones are, then 1 balance means that, then decimal, so we can take the 0 here, so 7 ones are, so that is 7, so 3 is the remainder, so means now it will come to the 30, so 7 fours are 28, so here the 20 again means this 20, so 7 twos are 14, so means this will not the end, this will continue, so we will take up to the 3 digits, so 1 2 and 3, here the 0 will comes because this is a completely at this one. So now after this one, 12 by 11, so 11 ones are, then 1 balance, then decimal point, so 0, but cannot be 4, again we will take the 0, so now 11 nines are 99, so minus this 1, so we will take a decimals 0, but cannot be divisible, so again we will take a 0, so minus 99, so 1 is a remainder, so means the decimal here 1.090, okay, so like this one 19 by 18, it has the decimal point, in a decimal conversion 1.050. Now the smaller one is the 1.05, so this will be on a number one. After this one, this 12 by 11, so this 12 by 11 on a second, okay, means we are searching for second from the left, so this is from the first, so this second means 12 by 11, so this 12 by 11 given in option number 2. Now question number 52, the cost of 2 notebooks and 5 pens is rupees 86, so cost of 2 n notebook for the n, I just assuming n for the notebook and the p for the pen, so plus 5p is equals to 86, so this one sentence first convert in an expression, then that of the 8 notebooks and 5 pens, so 8 notebooks plus 5 pen is equals to 194, so find the cost of one notebook and one pen. So these two expressions we will subtract from this one to this one. So this will be negative, this will be negative, and this will be negative. So this is get 0 because this positive and the negative means plus minus. Now here the minus 6n and plus here 194 minus 86, so here 108, but that are minus because the greater number having the minus sign here also fine, but both the side negative, so we will remove the negative side, so means 6n is equals to 108, so n is equals to 108 divided by 6, so that is equals to 6 ones are 4 balance 48, 6 8s are, so means 18 rupees is the price of the notebook, okay, so this is a rupees 18. Now pens value for this one, we have to put this one in the any equation, either this or either this, so 2 multiplied by this 18 plus this 5p is equals to 86, so 2 multiplied by 18, that is a 36, plus 5p, that is a equal to 86. Now 5p is equals to 86 minus 36, so that is a 50, so p is equals to 50 by 5 means that is a 10, so one notebook 18 rupees and one pen 10 rupees, so find out the cost. So for cost this one 18 plus 10, so that is a 28, okay, so 28 is given in option number 1. Now question number 53, how many square shape hand handkerchiefs of side 50 centimeter at least can be prepared from the square cloth of the side 2 meter? So now main cloth is a 2 meter sides and having the square shape. Here also the square shape of the handkerchiefs has cut, which is having the 50 centimeter. So first of all convert this 50 centimeter and this conversion of this 2 meter, so 2 meter we will convert in centimeter, so as we know the 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter, so means we have to multiply by this 100 then 2 meter, now that will be in a centimeter, sorry, so that will be the 200 centimeter. Now this side of this complete one main cloth, so that is a 200 centimeter here also 200 centimeter because this is a square, okay, and the cutting is a 50 centimeter here, and that cutting also square shape means that is also 50 centimeter by 50 centimeter. Now this area first we will find out, and then this area means that is the second step, and from this area to this area we will make the division. So 200 multiplied by this 200, so that is a 4 and then 40, okay, then this 50 multiplied by 50, so that is a 2500. So 4 lakh 40,000 divided by 2500, so this 20 get cancelled, this 20 get cancelled, so 21 and this 16, so means 16 handkerchiefs can be made, and this is given in option number 2. Then question number 54, this XXVI. So 10 plus 10, that is a 20, plus this 5 is a 25 plus 1, that is a 26. Then additions there. Then 10 plus this 4, so that is a 14, and divided by 8. So 26 by 14, so that is a 30 by 8. This is 40 divided by, so 8 1 the 8 5 the, so that is a 5, and 5 given in Roman number in option number 4, that is the V. So option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 45, what is the expenses of 132 students of a hostel in the month of August if the daily expenses per student is 1 rupees 125? So daily 125 is expenses multiplied by in August months, so there are the 31 days in August, multiplied by 132 number of the students. So this simply multiplication we have to do. After this multiplication you will get 12,40,000. So means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 56. So these subtractions of two numbers, but there is a symbol for some digits shown. So in this example, what is a square minus triangle is equals to how much? So now, so this is a subtraction. So 4 minus something, that should be the 5. So if we add 4 plus 5, so that is a 9. So my 4 minus 9, that should be the 5. So instead of this square box, so 9 should be there, minus there. 5 minus something, so that should be the 14, but already we have 4 minus 9, so means 1 already here given, so means this 5 should becomes through the 4. So 4 minus something, that should be the 2, means 2 plus something, that equal to the 4, means 2 plus 2 should be there, means in terms of the triangle there should be the 2. Now we will put this 2 here, so 2 minus this 7, sorry, here also 3 minus 4 cannot possible, so 1 we will bring here, so that will become 13. 13 minus 4, so here the 7, so 13 minus 4, so there is the 9 here, already here also 9, so that is a perfectly matching of this 9, that is a confirm, okay. So and here already 1 given, so here minus 1 we have to consider, okay. So something minus 1 and minus 7, so minus 1 minus 1, that is a minus 8, so something minus 8, that should be the 4. So means that is a, this triangle means that is a 2 should be there, okay. So 2 after this 1, that is a 1, and 1 minus 7 cannot possible, so it's a 9, so 1 should become the 11, so 11 minus 7, so there should be the 4, so that is a completely matching. And here 9 minus 8, so that is a 1, and this 1 will become the 0 because already 1 10 is a given, okay, as a carry. So the final answer is 9 minus 2, so that is a 7, and 7 is given in option number 2. Now question number 57, John has equal number of the notes 10, 20 and 50, equal number of the notes. So we will add these figures and that multiple of the number of the notes, means x multiplied by 10 plus this 20 plus this 50. So which of the following cannot be amount with him? So x is equals to, this is the multiplications of the 80 is equals to, now first of all 960, so this x should be, so if suppose this is a box, so box by 80, okay, so that is the meaning, so means in terms of the 8, that is the same. So 96 is can be divisible to the 80, but asking about the cannot be means this can be, okay. Now 1200 can be divisible to the by 80, so this also can be. Then 1240, so this cannot be divisible by 40, so means we can say this option cannot be the amount with him, so means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 58. On what principle? Question number 58. There is a profit of rupees 1 and 25 by selling a pen of rupees 10. How much is the profit or loss if 1200 notes were sold for rupees 1600? So now this is a profit, okay, and this is sale price. So sale price minus profit, we will get the CP. So 10 minus 1.25. So here also we will maintain the decimals, and after this one some zeros, okay. So if you make the division subtraction, so you will get 8.75. So now rupees 8.75 is the cost of the purchase for one pen. A pen is mentioned, okay. So as per this one, 200 pens is there, so multiply by this 200, so that is equals to 1750 rupees is there, but he has sold rupees 1600, so minus 1600, so we will get rupees 120, but this price is more than this selling price, so means we can say there should be the loss, so loss of 150. So option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 59. On what principle will the interest for 2 years at 9 PCPA be 1710? So 1710 is the interest, so that is equals to P. We have to find out the principal. So P multiplied by R is the 9 PCPA rate is there, multiplied by this 2 years divided by 100. So 2 ones are, and here the 50. So now this will be multiplication here. So 1710 multiplied by this 50 divided by this 9. So that is equals to the P. So after this simplification, you will get P is equals to 9500, and this is given in option number 1. Now question number 60. Using each of the digit only once 5 digit smallest odd number is formed, what will be the digit in tens place? Okay, so but the 5 digits only once means, okay, so we can say 1 2 3 4 and 5, okay, so that is the odd number. Yes, correct, odd number is formed. What will be the digit in the, so tens place, so means 10th place is the here, so that is the 4, means option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 61. So this much of the sapling were planted in the month of the July by students, each planting 5 saplings. Okay, so means we can say the some students, means that number we don't know. So means every student has a planting 5 saplings. So that is the meaning. We can say number of students we don't know, means that we will assume that is a X. So means 5 sapling by each student, so there are the X students, means 5 multiplied by X, so that is equals to this much, means 2,57,345. so this is the one information we got. Then in the month of the August, each of these students, means the same X, okay, so same students planted 15 sampling. Now that is equals to how much, that we have to calculate. So here 15 means that we can say 3 multiplied by 5 and then x multiplied by x. So as we know 5 multiplied by x means this one, so that is this, so this 3 as it is multiplied by this amount, 2 5 7 3 4 5. So after this simplification you will get 7,72,035 sapling, okay, but asking about how many sapling in all were, so this amount and this July sapling amount, that we have to add. So after this additions you will get 10,29,380, and this is given in option number 1. Then question number 62. From 7 and 3 quarters, 7 and means 7 plus 3 quarters, so 3 quarter here means 7 here, 7 and 3 quarter meter wire, 3 and a quarter meter, 3 and a quarter means that is a 3 and 1 by 4, so that is the meaning. So where used, so this is used from this one, okay, so from means that is a subtractions. Find the length of the remaining wire. So 7 then 3 by 4 minus this use we have to take out, so subtraction. So 7 4s are 28 plus 3, that is the 31 by 4, minus this 4 7 the 7, 3 multiplied by 4 plus 1, so that is the 13 by 4. So 31 minus 13, so that is equals to the 18. So 18 by 4. So means after the 18, so after reductions the 9 and here the 2, means 9 by 2, or we can say 4 4 is the 2 4 is the, so 4 and then 1 balance and 2, 4 and 1 half 2. So this is given in option number 3, 4 and half meters. So option number 3 is the correct one. Question number 63. Ajay sold a TV to Vijay at a loss of 1250. Vijay sold it to the Sanjay for rupees 5750 and made a profit of rupees 450. What was the cost price of the TV to the Ajay? Okay, so Ajay sold first to the Vijay and then Vijay sold to the Sanjay. So first of all, we will calculate Vijay's CP. Okay, so this is Vijay's CP, which is buy price, but Ajay's, that is the sold price. Okay, so that we can say like this. Okay, so as we know, the profit made rupees 450 after this selling 5750. So we have to deduct that one. So after this one, 5300. Now this is a CP for Vijay, okay, and SP for Ajay, because Ajay has selling this one and Vijay has purchasing this one. Okay, now we got the Ajay's CP. So in this one, he has make the loss, so means 5300 plus 1250 we have to add, so means this is a 6550. So option number 2 is a. Now question number 64. The interest on certain principal for 5 years at a certain rate of the interest is rupees 6000. What is the interest on double that principal for 3 years at the same rate of the interest? As we know, the for the 5 years the rate of the interest is, so means 6000, that is equals to the principal amount we don't know, so that is a P, and the certain rate means rate is also not given, so R as it is multiplied by this 5 years and divided by this 100. So 6000, so 5 1 and 5 2, so this 6000 multiplied by this 20, so that is a PR we can say. Now another way, what is the interest on double of that principal? So now we have to find out the interest, so that is a double of the principal amount, means 2 times of the principal amount with the same rate of the interest, means R is the same multiplied by, now here is the 3, so here the 3 divided by this 100. Now this P multiplied by R we know, so means 2 multiplied by this P multiplied by R multiplied by 3 divided by 100. Okay, so now this PR, this value we know, PR means P multiplied by R, that is equals to the 6000 multiplied by 20. So 2 as it is, 2 multiplied by, now 6000 multiplied by this 20 multiplied by this 3, means only PR's value we have considered, divided by 100. So this 20 get cancelled, this 20 get cancelled. Now 2 multiplied by 60, then multiply by 20 multiply by 3. So now that is equals to the 2 and multiply by 3, that is the 6 multiply by 6, and then here the 2. So 6 multiply by 1200 means that is 7200. So this much of the interest will becomes, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 65. Which of the following will come in place of the question mark? So here, now here if you see this square and this triangle, so here the changing, but again after this comes, means this and this having the some similarity of this numbering. Okay, so means this is a even number, here also even number. Okay, here also even number, means left is a even number and the right side, okay, this is the odd number. And so this will becomes the same here. Okay, means like this one, so triangle and then this square box should be there. So triangle and square box here and here, but here the different one, here different one. Okay, so only in between these two. So after this one, this even number is to the left side, but here the odd number is mentioned, so this is incorrectly. And here even number to the left side, so this is correctly shown. So means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 66, what grinding question number 66, after grinding 5 kg of wheat, 4750 gram wheat flour is obtained. So 5 kg of the wheat, after this grinding we are getting 4750 gram, sorry, this is a gram of the wheat flour. Okay, if 20 kg, suppose if 20 kg of the wheat, how much wheat flour will be obtained? So that is the question. Now in this one, first of all we will make the same unit. So here the 1 kg is equals to, we have to make it in grams, so 5 multiplied by this 1000, that is in gram, and here also 20 multiplied by this 1000, that is in gram. Now here in this one, for this much of the wheat this is given. Okay, so for this much of the wheat, what will be the flour? So that is asking. So we will do this cross multiplication. Okay, and this one also, that is equals to the, so 5 multiplied by this 1000, okay, multiply by this question mark, is equals to this multiply by this one, means 20 multiply by this 1000, then multiply by this 4750. Now 5 multiplied by 1000 means that is 5000 is equals to, that is a 20,000 multiplied by 4750. So now, and this multiplication sign, so multiplication sign is equals to 20,000 multiplied by 4750 divided by this 5000. So this 30 get cancelled, this 30 get cancels, means, and then 5 1 the 5 4 the, so 4 has to multiply to the 4750. So after this one, you, after this multiplication, you will get the 19,000 gram. Now 19,000 gram, here in another way we can convert it in kilogram, because gram to kilogram divided by the 1000, so this 30 will get cancelled. So means that is a 19 kg of the wheat flour will get, and this is given in option number 1. So I will clear this one. Now question number 67, 5 by 100 off, means that is a 5 by 100 off, means that is a multiplication of this 900 plus, now this is a separate, this is separate, okay, because of this one. So plus in bracket 8 by 100 off means multiplication 21250, okay, 1250. So that is equals to how much? Now this 20 get cancelled, this 20 get cancelled, this 10 get cancelled, this 10 get cancelled. Now 2 4 the 8 and 2 5 the, and 5 1 the 525. Okay, so then 5 multiplied by 9, so that is 45, plus 4 multiplied by 25, so that is 100. So means 145. So that is the answer for this one. So, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 68, how is the number read? So here we will make the commas. So this is the 3,52,94,068, and this can be read, this is correctly given in option number 2, 3,52,94,068. Now question number 69, a motorcycle of rupees 54,500. So 54,500. So this is the price of this one. A computer of rupees 35,000. Okay, so that is a completely, and a printer from the remaining amount. Okay, so remaining amount of rupees 1 lakh were purchased. So total purchasing is the 1 lakh. Okay, so now this and the this we have to add. So 1 lakh and that subtracted from the 1 lakh. Okay, minus this 54500 plus this 35,000. So 1 lakh minus this additions, first we have to do. So this additions is 89,500. So after this subtraction, you will get 10,500. Now asking about how much more was paid for the computer than the printer. Now this is the price for the printer we have purchased, because this is the remaining amount is mentioned. Okay, remaining amount. Now this is the remaining. Now asking about how much more. Okay, means that we have to find out the difference. So 35,000 minus this 10,500, so then we will get the difference. So that is a 24,500, and this is given in option number 4. Now question number 70, which which fraction shows the number a quarter to 7? Means that is a before a 7 there is a quarter is there, means that we have to deduct 7 and then 1 by 4 from the 7, or we can say subtraction of this 1 by 4 from the 7. So here the denominator is a 1, so we will make the denominator same. So here to make it denominator 4, we have to multiply by 4. So same multiply by 4 in a numerator. So 7 multiplied by 4, so that is a 28 by 4 minus this 1 by 4. So after making the denominator same means 4, we can make the numerator subtraction, means 28 minus 1, that is a 27, and by 4 means this is given in option number 3. So option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 71, in the adjoining figure is a cuboid. Now this is a cuboid, means all the opposites edge are the equal, even the face also the equal, opposites. Okay, and all having the rectangular in shape. Now the surface QRVU, now Q, this vertices QR, V and VU, means these 4 vertices are making these surfaces. Now this is a square, so means this side, this side, this side, and this side are the same, even their opposite side, means this one, then this one are also the same one. Now which of the alternative does not show equal edges? So does not show the equal edges, that we have to find out. Now TW, T and W, so these are the equal to the QR, yes, that is the equal. So these are the equal shows, but we have to search out the does not equal. So here option number 2, VR, V and the R, and PT, these are the equals, so this is also the equal. Then option number 3, WV and SR, now SR, these are the opposite, means that are the equal. Then PQ, P and the Q, this edge, and the VU, so these are the different, means option number 4 is the correct, which does not shows the equal edges. Then question number 72, in which of the alternative gives the in the table which interest on the principal is will be maximum? So this principal, this rates, and the period is mentioned, means PRN by 100. If we use this formula, so we will get the interest. So after this calculation, you will get for this serial number 1, you will get the interest rupees 360. So for this one rupees 350, for this one rupees 200, and for this one rupees 420. So student has to calculate this one to use this formula and this values, so you will get this one. And in this one, which is the maximum, so maximum is 420, means this option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 73, the radius of each circle given in the figure is 8.5 centimeters, means this is a 8.5, and this one also the 8.5. So this is the radius, means we can say from this one to this one, so that is the diameter, and this one diameter is equals to LO is equals to MN is equals to 2 multiplied by this radius, so that is a 2 multiplied by 8.5 centimeter, so that is a 17 centimeter, that is the meaning. Now find the perimeter of the rectangular LMNO. Now here the circle touch, here also touch, means this is a 2 diameter, 2 means this LM is equals to ON is equals to 2 multiplied by this diameter is a now 17, so this 2 multiplied by 17, so that is a 34 centimeter. Now for the perimeter, we know the 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Now 2 multiplied by length is a 34 plus breadth is a 17, so means 2 multiplied by this is the 51, so means Now 2 multiplied by 51 means that is the 102 centimeter, and this is given in option number 1. Now question number 74 and 75, answer the question given below in pictorial information. So there are the subjects and the number of the books. So Marathi, English, mathematics and the science. So how many Marathi books are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and each images is 12 books. So 6 multiplied by 12, so that is the 72 books are there. Here 3 multiplied by 12, so that is the 36 books are there. And here the 5 images means that is the 12 multiplied by 5, so that is the 12, that is 60 books are there. And here the 4 means that is the 48, and after this one the total is 216. So on this basis we are going to solve the question number 74. So question number 74, how much will be the total expenses for purchasing Marathi books? The cost of the one book is at rupees 25. So cost is a 25 multiplied by how many there are the Marathi books? So that is a 72. So multiply with the 72. So 25 2s are 55 here carry. So 25 7s are 175 plus 5, that is a 180, means rupees 1800, and this is given in option number 4. Then question number 75, the cost of mathematics book is rupees 40. The cost of science book is rupees 5 more than that of the mathematics, means that is a 40 plus this 5, so that is a 45 rupees for one science books. Then how much more or less amount will be spent to buy science books than the mathematics? So mathematics, how many books are there and the price? So that is the price is a 40, and multiply by this one, mathematics having the 60 books and science having the 48 books. So 60, and then science having the 45 rupees rate, multiply by 48. So this 40 multiply by this 60, so that is a 2400, and 45 multiply by 28, 45 multiplied by 48, so that is a rupees 2160. So asking about what is a more or less amount, means the difference. So difference is 240, and this is a lesser, lesser means to spend the this much of us amount to buy the science books than the mathematics books, means that is a lesser one, and this is given in option number 2. Thank you.